Good morning, students of class 5. As you know that we have been learning the chapter number 4, formation of negative sentence and interrogative sentence. Today we will try to do the exercises. Today we will try to do the exercises of the same chapter, that is chapter number 4 in English grammar. I hope you can see here today what Monday class 5 subject English grammar. So let us see the first question. Change the following affirmative sentence into negative form. Now there are 10 questions in the first exercise, exercise A. Look at the board. Exercise A. What is the instruction given in exercise A? Exercise A में instruction क्या दिया हुआ है? Change the affirmative sentence. Change the affirmative sentence. Change the affirmative sentence to negative sentence. To negative sentence. Change the affirmative sentence to negative sentence. Okay, students. Now let us see the first question. The first question is that Reena has many friends. Reena has many friends. Now this is the question that we have to change this question to negative form. Now let us change. What is this? Helping verb. Helping verb. So we are going to use has, have, is, am, are. Rule number 1 is, am, are. Has, have के बाद हम not use करेंगे. No. This we are not going to use here has, have. Reena is what? Singular. So we will use here does. Reena does not. Has का change हो जाएगा जिसमें have. Reena does not have many friends. Reena does not have many friends. Okay, clear? Don't move, students. आप मोबाइल एक जगह पे रख के क्वेश्चन देखो. These questions are from your book. ये जो भी क्वेश्चंस बोर्ड पे आ रहा है, all these questions are from your book. हर्षित सिंह. Number 2, change this number to they have a bungalow. They have a bungalow. Now change this to negative sentence. They do not have a bungalow. I have already taught you all the rules, how to change. सारा rules आपको बता चुका हूँ. Now exercise पे ध्यान दीजिएगा. Look at the exercises. They have a bungalow. They after they I am using here do, and after Reena मैंने यहाँ पे does use किया है, because here they is a plural subject and here name of a person is a singular subject. Now look at the third one. She could complete. She could complete her lesson. She could complete her lesson. Now the answer of this, change this. She could not. She could not complete. She could not complete her lesson. Okay, now see one more. Number 4. Henry fell down. Now student, look carefully. Henry fell down. Henry fell down. Fell is here. Fell is in past tense. यहाँ पे fell किसमें? Past tense में. So what we are going to use here? Did. क्या use करेंगे हम? Did. Henry did. ये past tense में है. Look here carefully. This is in past tense. So Henry did not नाउ इसका प्रेजेंट फॉर्म, वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज फेल, फॉल, FALL, fall down. Henry did not fall down. Okay, look at the questions carefully. फिर से ध्यान से देखिएगा. Reena has many friends. Reena does not have many friends. They have a bungalow. They do not have a bungalow. She could complete her lessons. She could not complete her lessons. Henry fell down. Henry, यहाँ पे देखो ये तीनों सेंटेंस आपका प्रेजेंट टेंस में था. From first question to third question, all the questions were in present tense. So we have used do and does. First, second, third. First, second and third question are in present form. Present form में है तो हमने क्या यूज किया है? Does यूज किया है. Do and does. Now let us see in the fourth question. The question is in simple past tense. Simple past tense. Look at the fourth question. It is in simple past tense. Henry fell down. Fell. The word fell. It is in second form. Okay, means in past tense. So we have to use here did. हमने यहाँ पे क्या use किया? Did use किया है. Henry did not fall down. Okay, fine. Now let us see some more questions. Number 5, the child burps. The child burps. It is the word here burps. It is in present tense. So we will use here do or does. हम यहाँ पे do does use करेंगे because this sentence or this verb, ये verbs हमें ये दिखाता है कि ये sentence जो है this sentence is in what? Present tense. So we will use do and does. Now the child. Child here is in singular form. What is the plural of? यहाँ पे the child subject it is in singular form. So we will use here does. The child as es हम हटा देंगे. Fine. The child. Have you seen her brother? Have you seen her brother? Now look. Look. Have you not? Have you not seen? Change it. Present tense में. Have you not saw? Have you not? एक minute. Just present tense. Have you not see her brother? Have you not see her brother? No, don't change it. Past tense, it will not change. Here, seen, same thing. Have you not seen her brother? Have you not seen her brother? Now, see the seventh one. He plays guitar. He plays the he plays the guitar. Now it is again in present form, so we will use do or does here. What is subject? Subject is singular. Use does. He does not play. He does not play the guitar. He does not play the guitar. Now इस changes को हमें see the changes. Look here. Look carefully. Okay, na? Now again, let us see. Number 8. आवाज आ रही है? Can you hear me? आयुष कुमार सिंह, आवाज 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 आ रही है तो कैन यू हियर मी स्टूडेंट्स? Arya, thank you Arya. Now look at these changes. ये changes हमें देखना है. Now let us see number 8. Please help him. Please help him. It is an imperative sentence, students. अब देखो यहाँ पे please help him. It is an imperative sentence. So what we use here, हम imperative sentence में क्या use करेंगे? Formally मैंने क्या बताया था? We are going to use do not or don't. Do not or don't. हम क्या use करेंगे? Do not or don't. So change it to negative sentence here. Do not help him. Do not help him. Do not help him, or we can change please don't help him. Please don't help him. Please don't help him. Now look at the board. We can change in these two forms. इस तरीके से हम दोनों को चेंज कर सकते हैं. Please help him. We can say, we can change into negative sentence by using do not help him, or please don't help him. Look here. दोनों तरीके, both the answers are right. Do not help him or please don't help him. Okay, now let us see two more questions. Number 9, she wore clothes. She wore new clothes. And number 10, please wash your hands. Now you have to change this. Students, now how to change this? She wore a new clothes. See, it's a singular subject. She does not wear new clothes. It has been changed to negative sentence. Now let us see. It's an imperative sentence, but it is not in order or command. ये imperative sentence है. This is an imperative sentence. Now change this imperative sentence to negative sentence. Please don't wash your hands. Please don't wash your hands. Now it is in negative sentence. We have done the first exercise, students. We have done the first exercise. Now we will move on to the next exercise, that is exercise number B. So in exercise number B, I am not going to change all the questions. पहले एक्सरसाइज मैंने सारा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर दिया. आई हैव डन ऑल द क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज नंबर ए. नाउ आई विल डू ओनली 2 or 3 क्वेश्चन इन एक्सरसाइज नंबर बी and 2 or 3 question in exercise number next. Exercise number B, it's your homework. It will be your homework. So let me help you out with exercise number B. मैं exercise number help करने जा रहा हूँ. I am going to solve only one question. सिर्फ एक क्वेश्चन मैं सॉल्व करूंगा. The rest will be your homework. You have to do it. Now let us see. Before that, before starting exercise number B, students, if you have any doubt, you can. Students, there was one mistake that here what we have done in question number 9, she wore new things. Wore, it is in past tense. ये past tense में है. So here, just before what I have written here does. No, in past tense, whether the subject is singular or plural doesn't matter, but in first tense हम क्या use करेंगे, चाहे subject singular हो या plural हो, हम यहाँ पे did use करेंगे. So she did not wear new clothes. Yes, any more question? Any more question? Arya, unmute.
No,
Any other
sir.
question?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Some of them, they are disturbing the class, so I have to mute them. Okay ना? मैं सबसे बात करना चाह रहा हूँ, but many of them, they are behaving like a rubbish guy, so I can't unmute. मैं सबको unmute नहीं कर सकता यहाँ पे. Fine. Now let us see second exercise. The first exercise is over, students. The first exercise is over. Now we will be looking in we'll be coming to the next exercise, that is exercise number B. We'll be coming to exercise number B. Now, what is the instruction in exercise number B? Let us see what is the instruction. क्या करने के लिए कह रहा है? Exercise number B आपसे क्या करवाना चाह रहा है? वो what the exercise is saying that change negative into affirmative sentence. Change negative sentence. Change negative sentence to positive sentence. Change negative sentence to positive sentence. Okay, this is the instruction given in the question. So let us see. Number one, she is not going. She is not going to meet them. She is not going to meet them today. She is not going to meet them today. Okay, this is the question given here. She is not going to meet them today. Fine. Now we have to change this sentence to what? Positive sentence. Here, you know that what is negative sentence? What is the nature of negative sentence? Negative sentence में अगर no, not, nobody, never, अगर कोई भी sentence में ये अगर शब्द आता है, if there is no, not, never, nobody, all this question, अगर ये words, all these words or any one of these words, इनमें से कोई भी words, any one of these words is present in a sentence, then that sentence is a negative sentence. So this is the nature of negative sentence. Negative sentence का nature ये है कि अगर इनमें से कोई भी word अगर किसी sentence में रहता है, then that is a negative sentence. Now what we are going to do here, हम करने क्या जा रहे हैं यहाँ पे? Instruction. What is the instruction given here? It is given that change a negative sentence to positive sentence. Now let us change this negative sentence means to remove. हमें ये remove करना है. Now change it. She is going. She is going to meet. She is going to meet them today. She is going to meet them today. Fine. She is going to meet them today. Okay. Now likewise there are some more questions. There are some more 9 questions. 10 questions are there. Question number 1 to question number 10. Now it will be your homework. It will be your homework. Fine. I will send you all the questions. It is here. I will send you and you have to do it in your book. Now let us see the formation of interrogative sentence. Now next topic. The next topic is that formation of interrogative sentence. Now do you have any problem? It is in present tense, present continuous tense. So not need to change the verb is in present tense. यहाँ पे ये आपका present continuous tense में, यहाँ पे doubt में मत रहना कि meet किस में लिखना है. Okay, here going it is in present continuous tense. Present continuous tense and go is in what? So it will be the same. She is going to meet them. Okay, look one more question. Look at one more question. I am not tired. Change it. I am tired. I am tired. It will be in third form only. I am tired. I am not tired. I am tired. Okay. Likewise, you have to change it. इस तरीके से आपको ये सारा क्वेश्चन चेंज करना है. Okay. 8 questions are there. Okay. You have to change it. Now let us see exercise number A in negative sentence. Next, now exercise number A in interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, exercise number A, change positive sentence. Change positive sentence to interrogative sentence. Change positive sentence to question means interrogative sentence में हमें change करना है. Now, number 1, Sheila lost her purse in the market. In the market. Now look here, lost is in present tense, a past tense. Lost किसमें है बेटा? Past tense में है. तो past tense के लिए subject चाहे singular हो चाहे plural हो, हम क्या use करते हैं? Did. Change it. Did Sheila lose? Present tense. ये हमारा changes देखो यहाँ पे. Did Sheila lose her purse in the market? Did Sheila lose her purse in the market? So likewise इस तरीके से आपको चेंज करना होगा. ये आपका पास्ट टेंस में था lost, तो हमने क्या यूज किया? did. अगर यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट टेंस होता तो हम क्या यूज करते? does for singular subject and do for plural subject. So there are how many questions? There are 10 questions in interrogative sentence exercise number A. And see, the rest you have to do. Question number 2 to question number 9. It's your homework. Question number 2 से question number 9 तक ये आपका homework है. You will do it in your book. आपको अपने book पे करना है. Okay. Now let us see the next exercise, that is exercise number B. That is exercise number B. Students, look carefully. Interrogative sentence exercise number B. Change interrogative sentence to positive sentence. अब हमें क्या करना है? Interrogative sentence को positive sentence में change करना है. Now look here. Look at the first question. The first question is, are they cousins? Are they cousins? Question mark. So the subject will come here and this one will come here. Right now हमारा helping verb subject के बाद आएगा in positive sentence. In negative sentence helping verb पहले आ जा रहा था. Helping verb plus subject plus object और action word. The formula क्या था हमारा for negative changing positive sentence to पहले क्या आ रहा था बेटा हमारा? Helping verb plus subject plus action word और object. This was our formula. ये plus question mark ये हमारा formula था. इसको हमें positive में change करने के लिए क्या करेंगे हम? सबसे पहले subject plus helping verb used, जो helping verb इसमें use हुआ है, helping verb plus object plus question, full stop, no question mark, full stop. Now change it. सबसे पहले हम क्या लिखेंगे? Subject. What is subject here? They. So they are helping verbs. They are cousins. Are they cousins? They are cousins. Full stop. Now look at next question. One more question. Does he have a car? Does he have a car? Now look at the changes. Look carefully. यहाँ पे have है, ये change होगा अगर हम positive में change करते समय. Does he have a car? Change it. Does नहीं लगेगा. अब हम इसको change करेंगे तो यहाँ पे हमारा हो जाएगा he has a car. It has been changed to positive sentence. And this was your exercise, the whole exercise. Now the chapter करेंगे और else please read chapter number 7 in English Marigold. अगर कोई डाउट नहीं है तो कल हम क्या करेंगे? चैप्टर नंबर 7 इन इंग्लिश मैरीगोल्ड. इंग्लिश मैरीगोल्ड में चैप्टर नंबर 7 हम कल करेंगे और बाकी मैं आज आपको सेंड कर रहा हूं. प्लीज ट्राई टू डू ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. ओके. नाउ इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ